Fundamentals of engineering thermodynamics. Learning outcomes. A student will be able to understand the basic concept of thermodynamics, including key terms and definitions, comprehend the law of thermodynamics and their application, analyze thermodynamics system using property relationship and energy balance, solve basic problems related to thermodynamic cycle. Prior knowledge. For this session, the learner should have the knowledge of heat and temperature. Thermodynamics is a combination of two words, therm and dynamics, which means science of energy transfer and its effect on property. System surrounding and boundary. Heat is transfer of energy from a body with a hotter temperature to one with a cooler temperature. Temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy of particles. System is a region in a space where our study is focused. Surrounding. The region outside the system is called surrounding. Boundary. The real or imaginary surface that separates the system from its surrounding is called boundary. Content. Introduction. Thermodynamics is the science that deals with heat and work and those properties of substance that bear in relation to heat and work. Thermodynamics is derived from two words, thermo, which means heat energy, and dynamics, which means conversion or transformation. Thermodynamics is the study of the pattern of energy change. Most of this course will be concerned with understanding the pattern of energy change. More specifically, thermodynamics deals with energy conversion and the direction of change. The zeroth law of thermodynamics deals with thermal equilibrium and provides a means of measuring temperature. The first law of thermodynamics deals with the conversion of energy and introduces the concept of internal energy. The second law of thermodynamics dictates the limits on the conversion of heat into the work and provides the yardstick to measure the performance of various processes. It also tells whether a particular process is feasible or not and specifies the direction in which a process will proceed. Types of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Laws of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics property: intensive and extensive property. Intensive: these properties are independent of the mass or size of the system. Example: temperature, pressure, density, specific volume. Extensive property: those property depends on the mass or size of the system. Example: mass, volume. Zeroth law of thermodynamics states that if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with the third system, and then they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. First law of thermodynamics: energy cannot be created or destroyed; it can only be changed forms or be transferred from one object to another. Second law of thermodynamics states that Kelvin Planck statement: it is impossible to construct a heat engine that operates on cycle to receive heat from single reservoir and produce equivalent amount of work. Second law of thermodynamics process statement: it is impossible to construct a device as a heat pump that operates in a cycle and produce no effect other than the transfer of heat from a lower temperature body to higher temperature body. Third law of thermodynamics: the entropy of a system approaches a constant value as its temperature approaches absolute zero. Conclusion: in this session we have learned about the basic key terms like system, boundary, and surrounding, and property, concept of zeroth law of thermodynamics and first law of thermodynamics and third law of thermodynamics, importance of Kelvin Planck and Clausius law statement, understand about efficiency and COP. Related to Qs, the zeroth law of thermodynamics defines temperature. Which of the following is an extensive property? Volume. Second law of thermodynamics gives the concept of entropy.